Good morning, good morning. Here we are once again. I'm going to bring this over, and then you're going to pull everything out, right, Mia?
Yippee.
Now, we've been really busy lately. We haven't been able to make as many videos, but
I had school.
I've had a lot of work lately.
I could not miss my school because that counts on my grades too.
Yes, and I couldn't miss work because that counts on our money. So, here is our monthly subscription box from Glovebox. I have my X-Acto knife here. I'm going to cut it. Be careful. Back up. And then we're going to check this month's box out. Now, this is May 2025. Woo! All right, so let's see what we got this month.
Let me throw this away.
Throw it. All right, let's start here. We got some Sonax wheel cleaner.
Let's see how it smells.
No, wait, because that's wheel cleaner, so it's probably really strong. So give it a second. Which we've used the Sonax wheel cleaner before. It's got a very strong smell, if I remember correctly. We're going to spray a little bit onto the cardboard.
Ew, it smells disgusting.
It's awful. And this says it's new and improved formula, but I think it's the same as the one we've recently used. It does. It smells awful. But it does work.
100.
0 out of 100. So let's check the next thing. We got Sonax Profiline Polymer Net Shield.
Let's see how it smells.
You've used this. You've used this because you did your bike with it, remember?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My yellow
We'll
robot.
spray it. Here, I'll pick it up. Watch out. Sit. What do you think of the smell?
It smells like nothing.
Smells like nothing. But it works very well. And we've used this several times in the past.
The next item is the Sonax Chrome and Aluminum Paste.
So this is a metal polish. And it's a typical metal polish. No, like you would do it on like chrome and aluminum.
Chrome?
Shiny metal. Like that right there on the front. Metal polish does have like a smell that...
Oh.
And you know it's metal polish whenever you use it. So,
Ew.
this is Sonax Chrome and Aluminum Paste.
1 out of 100.
1 out of 100. Now, here is what a lot of people are talking about. First, let's check out your towel. What do you think of your towel?
1 million out of 100. So soft.
Alright, so Mia likes towels, and this is our step-by-step guide. But here is from Malco. They've rebranded all their labels, all their bottles. This is an SiO2 paint protectant spray. Now, I've heard some things about this. Some people like it, some people don't. So we're going to check it out. The smell is probably something that Mia will like. Mia, you want to smell?
Yeah.
Go ahead and smell.
What? It's so good.
It's so good.
It's
Here.
1 million out of 100.
Go ahead. Wipe down the car right there. I've heard a lot of good things about this. Now, it is supposed to be like a 2-3 month, lasts up to 60 days. So 2-month protectant of SiO2. So it's a light silica protectant spray. Smells really good, and I have heard good and bad things about it. It all depends on who you talk to, but I like this. I'm always interested in trying new Malco products, things like that. New products that I haven't had a chance to really try out. So that's going to be a lot of fun. We'll play with this a lot. We'll enjoy it. The Sonax stuff we probably will never, other than the polymer net shield, which we do like this. We probably won't use any of the other Sonax products.
I only rated.
Not a fan.
I only rated it a 1 because it did not smell like.
And this is just a regular, metal polish. So we like all those things. Thank you for joining us. We're gonna try to make more videos as things go on. We've just been both incredibly busy, but school's almost over. Hopefully
It's the 134th day.
Of school? Oh my gosh. Out of how many days? How many days do you have in school this year? Did they tell you?
No.
Oh. Well, I know you have your big standardized test coming up soon, and you have to pass them. Your
I-ready
I-readies.
test.
Yeah, so we're going to be studying.
It's very important for me.
Very important. So we're going to be studying, but then school will be over soon, and sideline cheer will be starting back up. So we'll be busy, but we will have time to make some things. So thank you for joining us as always. Don't forget to like and subscribe as always. And Mia, anything you want to say?
Like and subscribe to #Mia and Ate Automobilistica.
All right. Thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate it, and we'll see you later. Bye.